I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the device signed into the Apple ID that pairs with the AirPods Pro 2. Once done, open Settings and tap your name at the top. Make sure the AirPods are in the case with the lid open and close to the device so the accessory shows up. You'll need the Apple ID password ready. If Find My is active, be prepared to disable it or authenticate. These steps prevent delays when you access the device list to remove the earbuds. Next, go into Find My and choose Devices to find your AirPods Pro 2 listed among accessories. You tap that entry to view details, then pick Remove from Account. This action unlinks the earbuds from your Apple ID. When prompted, enter your Apple ID password to authorize removal and follow any on-screen confirmations. Make sure the case stays open and within range until the status confirms removal. Otherwise, the device might remain temporarily associated and require repeating the step. Finish by checking the devices list to confirm the AirPods Pro 2 no longer appears. You can sign out and sign back into your Apple ID to double-check. If removal fails, reset the AirPods by holding the case button for about 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber then white, then retry removal. If issues persist, sign into iCloud. Calm or another trusted Apple device and remove the accessory from your account there. This remote option handles stubborn associations without the original paired device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.